what I pulled together. I touched on this product yesterday, but what I would call this is like your go-to quick hair color kit for $30. So the Uber list, because this is a value product. Now it is priced at $14.99, but you're getting two things out of it. So it's got a color deposit and it's got that bonding technology. And what we're not seeing as often now, because even though bonding technology is coming out on the market and we've seen other companies do it, the color deposit actually isn't as popular as of yet. So Sally's kind of has the leg up of doing, not only do you get your color, you get the bonding, which you want to do because if you're using color like this, because the vivids are a big deal right now, you need to keep your hair intact. So being able to color deposit and do that in one, we're getting value. We're getting two products out of one. So for $14.99, you're getting two basically. So I love this. So for value, and then to add to our little kit, the rat tail comb. So this one I actually used in my tutorial video when I did the Wella DIY hair color, and I used a teasing method. It's a way to add color professionally at home. So this one also helps section the hair. So when we're applying hair color, clean sections are key for clients because when they just throw it all over their hair, things go wrong. So can definitely emphasize this. And it's only 49 cents. So we just add that to our kit. And mixing bowl. Everybody needs a mixing bowl. You can't just buy color and have nowhere to put it. You cannot put it in a metallic bowl. You have to get a mixing bowl. And what I will say between this product and the rat tail comb, these are products that hold up in value because you never have to throw them out. You literally, this will last years. So this is gonna keep on doing what it needs to do. And that one was $2.69. This is a tint brush. We need to apply the color. So we're making our hair color kit. We've got the bowl. We've got a way to apply it with sectioning. And we can use this to put it on our hair. So the tint brush, I believe, is $1.49. So we add that to our hair coloring kit. And then one of my other favorites for when we're applying hair color would be the wet brush. This is such a great product. I love it so much because if we're lightening and we're playing with vivid hair colors, we want to disperse it evenly, which this can help with. But even when we're finishing out the hair, wet, compromised hair tends to break and you can rip it very easily. So when you have a wet brush, it's actually going to protect your hair. So it's not just a brush, it's actually a health tool. So you can add this on for $8.99. So far, that is totaled $28.65. So you could actually double up on your brushes, on your bowls if you wanted to, and you would hit that $30 value. But plot twist, if you sign up for a Sally credit card, you can actually get $50 worth of product and they'll take $20 off. So you can actually get a luxury hair color product, Good Dye Young, which is actually a little bit more on our expensive end, but super nice colors, super valuable. People love this stuff. $16.99, but we can afford it when we open that Sally's gift card or credit card. $30 off.